Hey, it's Ethan with ComTech. So we're in our second episode of the Top Tech series. So this is going to be a quick video software. If you've spent any time with me or if you've received any emails from me, almost certainly you have received a video from me using this software that I'm about to show you. So as the normal agenda, we're going to go over the name, the price of this tool, what it does, and some examples. So the name is, there's a lot of different softwares that do this. I personally use Loom. Unfortunately, I am not. This isn't a sponsored post, but they make a good product. But there's a lot of different other ones that you can use there. Just Google whatever you would like or go out to Loom and sign up with those guys. It is free or up to $50 a month. I've seen 50 and higher. It just depends on what you're wanting. I can tell you the majority of users are either free will get you there, or maybe $10 a month, something like that. I can tell you I pay $10 a month right now because I want some of the advanced features. But what it does is, at its essence, it is a quick video recorder on your desktop, on your laptop. So you have the ability to pull up the application, do a quick video. It has, and send it to someone, whether you're demonstrating something or you're just sending a personal message, that sort of thing. It does have the ability it's got some analytics in it. It's got the ability to transcribe all your words. That's, I think, beneficial for me because I feel like I can talk really fast and not type quite as fast. And it does have some AI features in there to remove some of the filler words if you're like me and say and ah, that sort of thing. But the examples. So instead of me going over these examples, I felt it was easier to throw you back over to an actual demonstration video that I did with Loom and at my house. So now I'll do that.
Hey there. Thanks, Ethan, for sending this over to me. It's kind of weird taking the video from yourself, but I wanted to show you how this actually looked. So you can see my screen here. Clearly, I'm in the middle of it right now, but I can move this guy around. So let's say if I'm in here and I want to just go in and change the background. I can change and put whatever background I want here. So if I want to flip over to this, I can. I can, of course, minimize this. I can go to my main screen and I can say, let's say the example is I want to show somebody if I click display settings. I'm just using a random example. You can see that I've got these two monitors. Here's what I'm trying to do. Maybe I'm creating a video explaining this is what I'm trying to do, and I want this to happen. It's much easier to show it in a video form than it is to do an email. The other thing I might do is I may go down here and say, hey, I want the entire screen. I want to look right at the screen and say, hey, Bob, thank you so much for your insight yesterday in the management meeting. You did a phenomenal job. I'm just happy to have you on the team. You can see the difference here, in my mind at least. You can see the difference here in how personal of a message it is versus sending that just simply in an email. The next thing that you can do here, so if I reduce this back down to maybe a small bubble here, again, I can move this wherever I need to. The final thing I want to show you is something that I do every single day, which is I build out my entire day in OneNote. Now, OneNote is something that I will cover in a later tech series, but OneNote is like a digital notebook. So I go in here, create my entire day, and it is not uncommon for me to create 3 to 10 videos at the beginning of the morning to just simply say, hey, I need this task completed. Here's how you do it. Maybe I need to send an email to an entire management team saying, this is what our goal is for this week. This is the why behind that goal. Because if I can explain the why behind it, it makes it much easier for everyone to accomplish the task. They understand why it's happening. And then if anyone has questions, maybe I can put some questions out there in a video form. So the video form is just much better, at least for me, because I feel like I can talk much better than I can email. So with that, I'll throw it back to Ethan.
All right, so Ethan, that's kind of strange, but Ethan just showed you how to do all those things. If you have any questions about that, let us know at our support or leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. But if you haven't tried this tool out, use it. I promise you will find benefits in it.